Hello, Warangal. Andriki Namaskaram, boys and girls. You all look so lovely.
మీరు
And
చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నారు.
I want to thank each one of you to be here today because I love Warangal. I've come here to promote my film before. Uh, and the love, the energy, and the craziness you guys deliver, no other city delivers. So I love this city, and I'm especially happy that we got to celebrate and to launch my favorite song from Nenu Reddy with you all. So I'm especially happy about that. I had written a very long speech because I am usually very bad at giving speeches. And yes, take. I don't need to speak, do I? So thank you everybody for taking your time out for the launch of this song. It's a very special song as you all witness. It's a very fun, dance, peppy song and of course spectacular music by Mickey J. Meyer sir topped with Vijay Polaki sir's choreography. So it's just exquisite and you could only see little bit of the song but I promise when you see the entire song, y'all are gonna fall in love with the choreography and the song itself. So I can't wait for you guys to watch it. Where is the energy? Why are you so dead?
అరే మీరు ఎంత దుర్మార్గులంటే ఒక నిమిషం హీరోయిన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇంత గట్టిగా ఇందాక నేను వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓ అంటారు.
Don't be jealous.
యా ఓకే.
You're still hotter than me
ఓ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
in my eyes. కొంచెం కొంచెం
కొంచెం కొంచెం యా. సో
కొంచెం కొంచెం కాదు పెద్ద పెద్ద I don't believe in little, I believe in lots of love. So yeah, Havish, I want to say you are incredible to work with. I really love working with you. Not only that, dancing with you was exceptional. Even though Loki, you completely hated it throughout the film. So, but still, you are lovely to work with, and I love dancing with you. And you guys are especially gonna enjoy the energy, the chemistry, the crazy, contradictory love between Havish and I. You're gonna love it more than Koncham Koncham also, I promise. If you like me dancing, this song is for you. I'm delivering to my fans. So everybody who waited for me to be back on screen after Mar Munta Chod Chinta, I'm back with Mast Gundira Yevaram. So please shower that much love and thank you guys. I want to thank Vikrant Srinivas Garu also, my writer Garu, my dialogue Garu. Sir, you were literally a bigger support to me. You were a on-set bestie for me. You always helped me out with everything and thank you for giving me this opportunity to play this character Vihari. I'm very blessed to bring Vihari. She's a Pakka Telangana girl and like she has a very different slang that you all are gonna enjoy. Very different to all the characters I've done. So she's very close to my heart. Please go give her all the love. Next, now. A very big, special and highlighted thank you to my director Garu, Trinad Rao Garu. I love you, sir. Nenu Reddy would not be what it is without the Trinad Rao Garu mark in it. And I am very proud to be your heroine, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. You are an all-rounder director. You were the captain of the ship. You only didn't just see the direction, but you saw every other department. And this movie would not be what it is without you. You are the backbone of this film, sir. I love you. ఏంట్రా ఇది ఛీ! Sir, I love you as in I idealize you, and usually I am very bad at saying this in speeches, so I specially prepared for you, sir, because he is an incredible prodigy, and I'm very proud to be his heroine, and I can't wait for you all to see the hard work and everything that we brought into this film. Lastly, I want to thank my production house. You guys were amazing. Harnix, Nikhila ma'am, Kanchana ma'am. I love you guys. You all are home, away from home for me. Thank you for always giving me the comfort. Don't get bored, Ray. This is my speech. Keep shouting. I'm just kidding. I am just absolutely thriving on this love. This is why I became an actress, because of this love, this adoration that you have. It's very overwhelming, and it only comes from Warangal, yaar. Thank you, Warangal. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Lastly, I just want to say hi to my grandparents, my mom and my brother. They are probably watching me live today from home. And I wish you guys were here, but I know you're cheering for me the loudest. So I love you guys. Thank you, Warangal. Hey, you better make reels and tag us, because I want to see what you've got. I'll share it on my stories.
థ్యాంక్ యూ కావ్య, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. యాక్చువల్గా వాళ్ళు మీరు చూస్తుంటే సైలెంట్ అయిపోయింది, బోర్ అవి కాదు, మిమ్మల్ని అలా చూస్తూ ఉండిపోయారు. దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీథింగ్ టు సే. సో
I really, since last night till 3 a.m., I was sitting and preparing my speech because I am truly horrible, and I had to, after last promotions, when sir strictly mentioned that every time I say thank you, but I forget him. And I wanted to save this thank you speech for for a pre-release event, because usually
Success
meet also. That is the last event kada. So then I wanted to save it for that, but now please don't expect any thank you from next speech. I promote all my energy, sir. I love you, sir. Sorry.
మీ ప్రేమకి నాకు మధ్యలో రావాలని అనిపించట్లేదు, కానీ రావాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఆల్రెడీ మన అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, మనం టీచర్స్లో అది చూస్తున్నాము, ప్రాపర్ తెలంగాణ స్టైల్లో ఇరగదీసింది కావ్య. సో మాకు థ్యాంక్ యూ స్పీచ్ వద్దు, కానీ మాకు ఒక్క డైలాగ్ కావాలి. ఒక్క డైలాగ్ ఏమంటారు అమ్మాయిలు? ఐ టెల్ యూ, లాట్ ఆఫ్ అమ్మాయిలు ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ రిలేట్ అవుతారు అటువంటి డైలాగ్స్కి, అంతేనా?
What? I forgot. Sir, మా రైటర్ గారు మా డైలాగ్
పర్లేదు, వెనకాల నుంచి ప్రాంప్ట్.
బరాబర్ మటన్ ఉంటాం,
చికెన్ వండుతాం,
చికెన్ ఉంటాం.
తేడా వస్తే ఇచ్చి పడేస్తా.
తేడా వచ్చే విచ్చి పెడేస్తా. అయిపోయింది కదా. సారీ, నాది తెలుగు అర్థమవుతుంది కానీ మాట్లాడడం చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. సారీ. నేను ట్రై చేయడం పక్కా. ఐఎమ్ లెర్నింగ్. వన్ డే ఐ విల్ గివ్ స్పీచ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. దట్స్ మై డ్రీమ్. వన్ డే గైస్. టిల్ దెన్ ప్లీజ్ బీ పేషెంట్.
పర్లేదు, ఆ లోపు మా వాళ్ళందరూ మీకు నేర్పించేస్తారు. తిట్టును కూడా అంత క్యూట్గా చెప్పొచ్చని నేను ఎక్కడ చూడలేదండి, ఆవిడ నోట్లోంచే విన్నాను.